सोशल साइंस बिल्डिंग। आपका नाम क्या हुआ?
सर विष्णुकांत पांडे।
विष्णुकांत पांडे जी हैं हमारे, ये यूपी से गोरखपुर इलाके से हैं।
हाँ हाँ
हाँ, समझ रहे हैं, योगी जी के ये दाएं हाथ हैं। और ये रहा हमारा सोशल साइंस बिल्डिंग। यहाँ से हाँ एंटर कर रहे हैं और ये रहा लॉबी। हियर यू कैन सिट इन सोशल साइंस इन रेसेस टाइम। हियर वाईफाई कनेक्टिविटी इज देयर व्हेन यू हैव नो क्लास, सो यू कैन सिट हियर कंफर्टेबली, नो प्रॉब्लम, and you can have group discussion, chat and all. There are various departments. This is Center for Studies Diaspora. This is Dean, and here we go. So this is the social science building. Under that it covers School of Economics. There is separate school for School of Economics. So this direction goes to School of Economics. This is Center for Regional Studies classroom. You can see that. And this way we go. We came at night time because daytime it is very difficult to take the videos because professors and students are roaming around. This is School of Economics. So this way we go, and this is the School of Economics. Here are the professors' cabin. This is Dean. This is Dean chamber. These are professors' name. You can see Devashish sir. He teaches us macroeconomics and monetary economics. This is the seminar hall. Your interview will be also conducted here for MPhil PhD. For masters there is no interview. So this is Alok sir room. This is the research scholar. This is Pramita Misra ma'am. His PhD scholar cabin you will get. Economics PhD scholar cabin, you can see that. And this is the office of School of Economics, which is closed. And here comes computer lab. So this is Bapana Nagarjun sir, who is currently DSW of University of Hyderabad. This is Setu Durai sir, who taught us econometrics. He is very renowned professor. So upper side if you go, there is political science department. This is Manohar Rao sir. He is now retired. Last year he retired only. So that's all tour for the School of Social Science, guys. So similarly you will get different chambers and different rooms for different offices. And this is the notice board where your results and everything will be kept here if any notification comes. This is School of Economics. So that's all. I think this way you can also go. This is a new seminar hall for SSS Social Science. So that's all economics department. Here this side if you go, there is department for regional studies. So overall this is the kind of lounge area. There are some guava trees are there. So this way you go, I think regional studies, you can see that Center for Regional Studies all comes under social science building. So Srinivas Rao is the HOD. So that's all. You can see it is completely written School of Social Science. Here again one lobby area where you can sit, student seats. So that's all. Here you can see that students are going, research scholar is going to the hostel. So that's all. So this is the ground floor. On the first floor we have classroom for School of Economics, and there is history department, political science department, anthropology department, and all buildings are there. So this is the research scholar. You can see that he is coming. So very renowned honorary professor Yave Reddy sir, who was the earlier governor of RBI. He was the honorary professor. He is honorary professor of University of Hyderabad. And this is Center for Human Rights. You can see that this all comes under. This is the office for Center for Human Rights. And this is eminent economist of Indian economics, capital theory, and all this macroeconomics who taught Onkar Nath sir. So these all you get. Similarly, this is Lakshmi Narayan sir. He teaches us political economics. So this was the tour of School of Social Science, particularly School of Economics. So similarly, there is Department of History. You can see this is Department of History, and this is our department. From there, that gate you enters, you take right, because this wing is School of Economics. Actually this school is from not, it doesn't come under social science. Building is social science. One new building is being constructed. Economics has its different school, so it has different dean also and department also. So that's all guys, thank you. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. This is the storeroom, and here you goes washroom and all, gents toilet and toilet other. So this is, I think, which department? This is Dean of School of Social Science. Similarly, on the first floor we have School of Political Science, Anthropology, History and all. Thank you guys. And here is security guard who always take care of yourself 24/7. His duty is there. Say hi to our viewers. Hi. So he is Pandeji. Very good duty he is doing. So okay, thank you. That's all. Stay tuned for similar kind of videos. And there is a stair, you can go to the, I think I will show you. This is conference hall. Here you goes. This is the conference hall. This is the conference hall, fully equipped AC and all. So I am shooting this video around 10 o'clock at night. There is again one lobby. So we are on the first floor. This is Department of Sociology. Here is classroom. So thank you guys, Department of Sociology. You can clearly see that. So this is the lobby for sociology. So classrooms are there. You have seen that. Professors' lobby are there. So stay tuned for upcoming department. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Chalo, let's go.